Hello and welcome to PMP Exam Prep Simplified. In this video, we will focus on project schedule management. Let's begin with the objective of this lesson. After doing this lesson, you will be able to explain project schedule management, learn about few important terms and techniques related to project schedule management, then explain precedence diagrammic method, do schedule network techniques including critical path method, forward pass and backward pass. So what is project schedule management? Project schedule management includes the processes required to manage the timely completion of the project. In other words, project schedule management involves the processes that will eventually lead to a project schedule and the schedule baseline. Now, if we look at the project management process group chart, the project schedule management knowledge area consists of 6 different parts, out of which 5 parts with plan schedule management, define activities, sequence activities, estimate activity durations and develop schedule come in the planning process group, whereas the control schedule consists of monitoring and controlling process group. The project schedule management provides a detailed plan that represents how and when the project will deliver the products, services and results as defined in the project scope. It also serves as a tool for communication, managing stakeholder expectations and as a basis for performance reporting. Look at this picture. We see that there are several pieces that go into creating a schedule. Let's go through each one, starting with the scheduling method. All this means is you choose how you manage your project, for example, predictive or adaptive. Next, you choose a scheduling tool like Microsoft Project or Oracle Primavera. Then you take project information such as WBS and activities, durations, resources and constraints and put them into the scheduling tool to create a scheduling model. This model represents the work of the project as a project schedule. Few important terms and techniques in project schedule management. Decomposition. Decomposition is the technique used for dividing and subdividing the project scope and project deliverables. Milestone list. Milestones are events that must be considered in the life of the project. There is an interesting relationship between milestones and the processes of sequence activities. Milestones have zero duration because they represent a significant point or event. Rolling wave planning. As a technique in the define activities process, rolling wave planning ensures that the detailed planning is done for the packages to be delivered in the near term, while only the high level planning is enough for work packages to be delivered later. As the work progresses and requirements become clear and more detailed, the planning for the packages follows. To be precise, you basically plan as you go. Now, this concept of rolling wave planning is a form of progressive elaboration that models project planning the way we see things in the real world. Suppose, for example, that you are standing at the edge of a field. You may be able to see some things in great detail, even counting individual blades of grass at your feet. The further off you look, however, the less detail you will be able to perceive. Distant objects such as mountain ranges several miles away would appear general and hazy. Rolling wave planning mirrors this construct by assuming that things in the near future should be relatively clear, while project activities in the distant future may not be as detailed or as easily understood. Armed with that perspective, a project manager may choose to carefully decompose certain work packages with anticipated execution in the near term in great detail, while delaying analysis on work packages that will not be accomplished until later in the project. This type of planning must be revisited throughout the project, much as waves continuously roll into the shore. Rolling wave planning is a popular concept with agile projects, and it is used more frequently on projects like creation of an information technology system and less often on projects within the construction industry where unknowns may cost millions of dollars.